Before we go, Fluffy, before you go, you can have a grasshopper. It'll be yummy.
Take the grasshopper.
Eat. Fluffy.
Eat.
No.
Oh gosh.
Kingdom head.
Get it. Get it, it's right there.
No. Oh. Fluffer! Fluffer! Fluffer.
Fluffer. Might could be handful.
It's a grasshopper. Are you not hungry?
Dana, do you want to eat something?
Oh, it's the grasshopper's still alive, guys.
It's just a little bit. It's slowly dying.
Help me. Help me.
Rocco.
Rocco, it's your favorite. No, you're going to be frog food.
That's your bowl.
That's his farm.
Where?
Woody. Woody. Drink.
Do you guys like fireworks?
Fluffy does not like to eat food, apparently. He likes starving.
I don't know. Put it like right there where that orange thing is.
Help me. Help me, I'm dying.
Come on, Fluffy. Fluffy, you want it?
Look at Fluffy's beautiful patterns.
Yeah.
While I still have him. He's
so
fluffy
cute.
because
Oh,
Fluffy likes doing parkour. He's a parkour ninja.
How do we? Did he eat it?
Nope. Let's try doing that again.
Where did he go?
Fluffy.